In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Gemini AI. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to type into the search box of Google for Gemini AI. After that, you will be able to see here multiple links. You need to make sure that you click on the official link from the Google itself, which is gemini.google.com. Once you find this link, you're going to click on that. Then if you are already not signed in to Google, you will be able to see here the option to sign in. So just click on that. Just enter your email and then your password. Then you will be signed in, and in the same place, you will be able to see here the option Try Gemini. And then you will be headed to the page of Gemini AI. If you have already used ChatGPT, as you can see here that it is very similar to that. First of all, we are going to try a prompt in which we are asking Gemini AI to write us a paragraph. And as you can see here that Gemini AI has generated us a paragraph. Now if you see at the left side of your screen, you will be able to see here a plus icon. So just click on that and then you will create a new chat. If you want to get access to any of your previous chats, you're going to click on the three lines located at the upper left side of your screen, and then you will be able to see here all of your previous chats. Now we're going to ask Gemini AI to generate a very random image. And as you can see here, it has generated us those images.